on the run. Destiny is a rising sun. Oh, I was born, 6 gun in my hand.
Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike. It's Thursday, October 9th, MOJO Day Trading Room video recap. Right now we're in a trade of 3,000 Yelp, average 69.69, and right now it's 69.61. So by the time we're done with this video, we'll be scaling out of that 3,000 shares, same way we scaled into it in many pieces. GTAT, we just sold 17.18 right there, a gift. We had an average at 15. These were the 3 positions we've been holding into the down day when the market's down 330 points. GTAT average 16. Yelp average was 70.27 on entry number 1. Got entry number 2 there. Entry, which was little, only at 500 shares. Then we got right here 500 more and 1,000 more at 69.74 and 60. And then we're going for the last one right here at 69.40, 3,000 shares scaled in at 69.69, and right now it's 69.60. So I got to keep on watching it, but let me show you what we do. And the market's down 312. Major holdings right now for us are GTAT, which we sold. Then we've got VOXX right here at 792. It's 782 by 83. 70.92, and we got GTAT's gone. So this day was pretty awesome. Right here is the classes for Mojo University that are starting next week. It's going to be an amazing course for anybody that wants to learn day trading, introduction to trading, recordings, indicators, pre-market and after hours, many trade plays, formulas, secrets, box trading, level 2, a final exam, and a question and answer. Really an amazing course with covered calls and so forth. Okay, let me show you the beginning of the day down here. Pretty nice. So people always say, hey, do Mojo traders make money in the room? Because I always get this question like this trader did. He says right here, he goes, I was telling my friend the other day about Mojo. He says, sure, it's easy to make money when the market's up. He didn't believe me when he says no matter up or down, Mojo style makes money. He laughed at me. Well, the Dow's down 300 and he tripled his goal for the day. I haven't lost on a trade today. I don't expect to lose on Yelp right here at 69.69. I'm on a 110 trade win streak with another 20 trades today. Puts it up at 130 consecutive wins in a row. 99% for the month. It's a great little system and thing we do here. So you could see GTAT, we traded that. Lake, traded that long, which was scary. Sold it back, like had to buy it again. Entry 2 at 55. It dropped, and then I just sold it back for like a 2-penny profit to get out, and the stock went to $18. Unbelievable. Look at Lake. I sold it for like a penny right here in this red bar, I think it was, or maybe even like what time was that? That was at 9:35, right at the open right here. It was scary. Probably in that bar where it ran up and came down, and then it just took off, and then it took off, and then it took off. It went to 18.60. Unbelievable. Way, way, way too volatile for me. I tried it once again to short it at 16. Probably right here at that top. To go down, I shorted it here, and then it ran up again to 16 like 50. Had to do it at 16.30, and then cover back at 16. It was unbelievable. Just way, way too scary. So no harm, no foul on Lake. APT had that this morning at 397, average 402 on APT. That was to follow Lake and the other ones. We only made a little bit on that. It went to 468. It's at 451 right now. So Mojo's making money in a down market. VOXX, we still have this BIOFR at 77 to 80 is 82 by 90, been to $1.07 already today. That's what's continuing the win streak. Yelp, we traded that a bunch of times through 72. So Yelp the first time was at 72. We bought 71.95, sold 72.30 to 35. Say bye-bye. We bought it back 71.90, and now we're filling at 71.77 and so forth. We did a bump right here of 3,000 at 71.10 to 20 and sold 71.35. So that's how the win streak stays alive. Everybody else would have been burned so bad on this one right here because you bought the first one at 71.90, the second one at 77. But those are tiny buys, 100 and 200 shares. Down here's the big one. It fell 30 cents more. You got to triple it. So you long 1,000 here, you triple it to 4,000, and then as soon as it bumps, you get out break even. That's how you do it. Okay? And that's how we trade. So Mojo traders for the day in the room on a terrible down day. Let me just look at my Yelp. 69.83. Let's start selling Yelp. Selling 1,000 right here at 69.80. And the streak continues. Sell 80, 85.90 on Yelp. Sell into the rally. So we sold 80, 85.90. Let me put the orders in. Sell on the ask, you get a rebate as well. It's going to go through 70 right now. I'm going to hold the rest probably through there. Sold 1,000 at 69.85. Okay. So it's only like a 15-cent profit right now, but we're selling on the ask going through, so it's fine. Look at that nice little run it has. Buying the dip, selling the rally. And when that thing turns red up there into a Cupid top, we'll be out of it completely. Great job on GTAT. You can buy that back at 112 and under. That's what we do in the Mojo room. So these traders here today on a terrible, worst day we've had in a long, long time. Up 225, up 305, up 345, up 160, up 340, 345, 950, 200, 470, 400, 200, 1,079. These are all new traders to the room. Welcome, Chiz, Terry, Matter, Iceman, Augustine, all Trader Wasu, all new to the room. Okay? And that's what we do. Go back up here earlier. Some of the people that left, because we were done early, had a nice morning, and then they left. Here's from this morning, 1,500 overnight on the GTAT play that I gave out, up 500, up 250 from the overnight on GTAT, up 2,300, up 870 on a beautiful day, up 1,079, up 150, up 385. Paid for my subscription in the last 2 days. That's what we do. Right now it's dipping. A GTAT, get on the bid at 111, 110. You can do an entry here at 12, a small one. Yelp's at 70. I'm getting filled at 69. At 95 I got filled. I got the rest out at 70. Sold 500 at 69.95. I'm selling the rest through 70, like 70.06, 10, and 12.
And a gun and make my final stand. That's why they call me bad company. I can't deny. Bad company. Today I die. Today I die. Today I die. Rebel souls, deserters we are called. Chose a gun.
That's how it's done, folks, in the Mojo room. You've seen it live on a down day of 300. The market's coming back. GTAT, increase your position, bid 12, buy 13. We'll be selling it at 17, 18. That's Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable. Keep an eye out for the Mojo.